Time to make amends, healing broken bonds. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a very meaningful phrase in the English language, time to make amends. This expression is rich in emotion and significance, and understanding it can add depth to your conversations in English. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, grasping the nuances of such phrases can really elevate your language skills. So, let's explore what it means to make amends and how you can use this phrase in your daily life. At its core, time to make amends is a call to action. It signifies that the moment has arrived to repair relationships or correct mistakes. The word amends refers to compensations or actions taken to rectify a wrong. When someone decides it's time to make amends, they are acknowledging a mistake or a harm done and are ready to take steps to make things right. This phrase is often used in personal relationships but can also apply to professional contexts or broader social situations. Making amends is crucial for several reasons. It's a fundamental step in the process of forgiveness and healing. By making amends, individuals show remorse for their actions and a willingness to improve. This not only helps to mend damaged relationships but also contributes to personal growth. Understanding why and how to make amends teaches empathy and responsibility, essential qualities in both personal development and in fostering healthy relationships. The process of making amends can vary depending on the situation, but there are some general steps to follow. 1. Acknowledgement. Recognize and admit the mistake or harm done. 2. Apology. Sincerely express regret for the wrongdoing. 3. Restitution. Whenever possible, take concrete steps to correct the mistake or compensate for the harm caused. 4. Change of behavior. Commit to avoiding such mistakes in the future. Remember, making amends is not just about saying, "I'm sorry." It's about taking meaningful actions to restore trust and harmony. We hope this video has shed light on the powerful phrase, time to make amends. It's a reminder that it's never too late to correct our mistakes and heal our relationships. Making amends is a courageous act that speaks volumes about a person's character and integrity. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation where you've wronged someone, remember that it might just be time to make amends. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English with phrases that matter. Until next time, take care.